unit space plan to lease warehouses. Okay. So I'm going to use the Sears Tower as an example, just because I don't want you to test on something that you've already worked on and uploaded all your buildings. Yeah. So here, Sears Tower. This view. Now I'm going to upload a full space plan. So this doesn't have any individual units, but it has a plan that represents the entire building layout. So right now I'm going to sign in. I'm not authorized. Hold on. Okay, I'm just going to start off by deleting this one right over here. Okay, and I will, I'll add one actually over here. I'll add a full unit space plan. I'm not going to add one over here to the individual units, because you'll know, like right over here, if we see the 7315, all of these were individual units, right? But under here, these plans represent the entire building layout. There's nothing here, right? So this is where I'm going to work right now. I'm not going to touch anything up here, but I'm not going to do anything up here because I don't want to mess up your stuff, so I'm going to use Whacker Drive to do my testing. Okay, so right now we're empty on both of them. So I'm going to add a full entire building layout. Okay, very simple. All I have to do is click here, entire building. I'm going to name it. I'm going to name it Penthouse Top Floor. My size is going to be 10,000 square feet. Test my entire building. This is a test file. That's why I wrote test. I'm going to upload it. This, submit. There you see it's here. Okay, here you have it. Now, okay, when I go back to here, you're going to see it's not going to show up over here because it's not counted. All right. The same thing holds true when I want to see when I'm trying to see the directions and I plan to say like I book a showing over here. So you're gonna see it's not gonna allow me to choose a unit. All these other ones I can pick. These work, but over here, like it's not gonna allow me to. In other words, it's not going to show up because I don't have any small individual units that are for lease. So it's not going to, it doesn't allow me to rent a full building space plan. So yeah, that's how you use the feature, okay? Very simple, very easy to use.